Hey everyone, hello and welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In this video, we are going to talk about Zoom alternatives. Zoom has been very popular for video call, but many people are now asking, what about the other tools? Can Google Meet, Microsoft Teams or Slack replace the Zoom? And which one is the best choice for you? Let's go through them one by one and I will give you my honest thought. And don't forget to check the description. I have added the official link and the latest update for these platforms. They change features often, so always check the description after watching. Now let's start with the Google Meet. So Google Meet is very simple and easy. If you already use Gmail or Google Calendar, then it connects smoothly. You can schedule a meeting in the calendar and the link is ready in just one click. Google Meet is also good because it works directly in the browser. You don't always need to download an app, which is helpful for guests. Now in this time, Google Meet has improved background noise cancellation, live caption and recording option. It also works very well on mobile, so if you live inside Google Workspace, Meet feels natural. But the downside is that its advanced features are fewer than Zoom or Teams. So now let's talk about the Microsoft Teams. Teams is more than just a video call, it is a full collaboration hub. Inside Teams, you can chat with your colleague, share files, connect apps like Word or Excel, and yes, also run video meeting. For companies that already using Microsoft 365, for them, Teams is very powerful because everything is just one place. Now in the present time, Teams also improve breakout room, meeting transcription, and whiteboard tools. The meeting feel more structured, and for larger companies, Teams is often the main platform, not Zoom. The only issue is that Teams can feel heavy or confusing for people who just want a simple meeting. Now let's talk about the Slack. Slack is famous for chat and team communication, but it also added a stronger video meeting feature. You can now start a video meeting, share your screen and collaborate quickly inside Slack. It feels lighter and more casual than Zoom or Team. Many startups like Slack because it keeps the team close with chat plus quick calls. But if you need a very large and structured meeting, Slack is not as strong as Zoom or Team. It's better for fast and daily communication. So which one is the best alternative of Zoom? Well, it depends on what you need. If you want simple video call and if you already use Google Apps, then Google Meet is probably the best option for you. But if your company is large, uses Microsoft 365 and want everything in just one hub, then Team is the better choice. Now if your team loves chat, fast communication and want a quick casual video call, Slack is the best option. Zoom is still strong in this time, but these alternatives are very real choice. And in some cases, they are even better depending on your workflow. So just remember to check the description for the latest features and updates for Google Meet, Teams and Slack. So thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech, and if you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.